To enable or disable Stay Face Unlock on lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Biometrics and Security. Tap Face Recognition. Enter your PIN or password. Enable Face Unlock. Tap Switch until blue. Tap Stay on lock screen, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.